the sun, by the moon, he's a star. And baby, I'm lighting up like a fool, it's true, it's true. He's making me blow my mind, and I can't stand the thought of being without her.
Hey you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Josie, and I am a wife and a mom to one little one and have one on the way. And today we are doing a decorate with me. I'm actually getting rid of my guest bedroom and all of its furniture. It's almost empty. My half office was in there as well, but we're turning that into a nursery for baby boy. So today we're tackling all that rearranging, and also we got some new furniture that is from Home Mary. So thank you to Home Mary for partnering with me again on today's video. We've already partnered one time for my living room makeover, that beautiful all wooden coffee table, and they sent me 2 more pieces. They have beautiful modern furniture, and they even have an option for a 48-hour dispatch to your area. So I'll be talking a little bit more about them after I go ahead and finish cleaning my bedroom, because we are moving the office, or the mini office where I do all my YouTube stuff, to my master bedroom, because again, it was in the guest bedroom. That's now gonna be a nursery until we finish our basement, which is a whole other project. That is where the guest bedroom will be moved to eventually and all that good stuff. But for right now, we are making space for baby boy and making progress. They sent me a beautiful chair, because the chair that I had in my guest bedroom was gray and it matched the upholstery in that bed over there. But over here, everything is all white, so I needed a new one. So I was so excited when they reached out, because I knew I could find something beautiful on their website and of high quality. So I'm just going to finish cleaning up here, and then we'll get into all of that.
Faster, he got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, let me go. Oh, mellow, mellow, mellow. He got mad love, he got mad love, he got mad love, he got mad love.
So this is the bench little area that I had in my master bedroom, and we're taking that out, and this is where we're gonna put the desk. I'm leaving the 2 wall sconces and everything. I had a shelf above my desk in the guest bedroom, but I'm not gonna move that here just because we already have those. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, take that out, or call my husband to take that out, and then clean up the area, and we're gonna move the desk in. And if you guys are wondering what am I doing with all of this stuff, just like everything that I had in my guest bedroom, we've been selling everything on Facebook Marketplace and have been have been really successful in doing so, because I've been staging the furniture. I will be staging with you guys and showing you guys how I do so towards the end of this video as a little add-on. But yeah, that's what I've been doing with all the furniture in the guest bedroom, the mirror, the chair that I sold, this sofa, all of it is gone. And yeah, I love Facebook Marketplace. But now my husband, or shall I say my husband and my daughter, are bringing in this little clip. Bringing in the desk, and in this clip, she's helping her dad, or she thinks she's helping her dad, and it's so cute.
Those simple lies wouldn't cut you down. What do you regret now? Thinking you were clever. Telling those little lies. La la, baby, won't you la la? Getting enough of this. My love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Ooh, ooh. Thinking that I'ma quit. You gotta.
Wasn't that just the cutest thing ever? Watching that back, I was like swooning over it. But now I'm just unboxing this Home Mary desk chair. I'm in love with this. All their furniture is high quality. Again, this is my 3rd piece I'm receiving from them, and my unboxing experience is always pleasant. Building it is always a pleasure as well, because their furniture is so easy to build. I said that this last time when I did the living room makeover and I had their coffee table. It was so easy. It was like 3 steps, and I was like, I don't know if this is how all their furniture is, but I'm in love with how easy they make everything. And apparently it is, because I got 2 more pieces from them today, and they were so easy to build, 3 to 4 steps. And what I love about them, and I'll be showing you guys this a little later on, is that you can download the installation guide directly on their website and have it on your phone. So easy. Again, their website has very unique and high quality furniture pieces that you won't find anywhere else. So definitely, if you're on the lookout for any new furniture and you have a unique palette, I would suggest you trying Home Mary because they have such beautiful pieces at affordable prices, and they also gave me a discount code for you guys that I'll leave down in the description code, both for the US and the UK. And then they also sent me a bench for my bathroom. I'm going to be doing a little bathroom makeover too as well. And yeah, I'm just in love with the chair. I'm in love with the bench. The chair is such high quality again, and it's so fluffy. Like, it feels like you're sitting on a cloud. I love this chair. It's definitely an upgrade from like the $50 chair that I had from Amazon in the other room. And I'm so glad I have this nice comfy chair, being pregnant and all, to sit on while I'm editing right now and doing my voiceover. It's such a great feeling. So thank you to Home Mary for sending me this. It was a pleasure. So fluffy, so much cushion. I don't even know if the camera does it justice, but it is so comfy. So again, thank you to Home Mary. And now I'm just going to clean up, and I'm not going as crazy with my decor this time. In the other room, I had it all decked out because I had the shelf, and I just did a little bit more decor. But right now, I'm just keeping it pretty neutral and making it more just like simple office-y, just until fall comes, because then, of course, this whole room is going to be transformed into, you know, fall, autumn colors and florals and stuff like that. But for right now, it's pretty much like a simple office space.
But it's okay. I don't have the pieces of you buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares has gone cold. Now we go way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. I've got you.
Now I'm about to unbox the second piece they sent me, which is a rattan looking bench, and I'm using it in my bathroom. If you're not new here, then you know that my first floor bathroom, which is our guest bathroom, is pretty big in size, and so we had a guest bench in there, but it was from my old house. It was all white. It wasn't really my style. Everything else in my bathroom you'll see is like a modern farmhouse slash boho, and I have a lot of rattan in there. So when I saw the top of this bench and how it was woven, I fell in love with it. The bottom is wood, and it's just so beautiful and such high quality. Again, super easy to build. And the other one I did sell on Facebook Marketplace. I always say that if you're going to replace something and you have some old furniture, go ahead and sell it to make money to get the new things, because why stick it in your garage if you know you're not going to use it in the future anyways? And you can stage up that piece of furniture, and one man's trash is truly another man's treasure. All the pieces that I posted on Facebook Marketplace got sold. I don't even know if that's the correct way. I'm always getting corrected on here. But they sold so quick. So I'm so grateful for that. And I'm so grateful that I didn't have to spend any money on this bench as well, because, again, Home Mary gifted this to me. It's beautiful. I'm in love with it. All their pieces are like this. So unique, and just pieces that you wouldn't find anywhere else. So, again, I'll leave all the codes and information in the description box. And now we're about to style this in my bathroom. But first, I did want to do a couple things. Like, I wanted to change out these curtains. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like a yellowy tint to it, and if you know me, then you know I hate any type of yellow in my house. All the rooms in my top floor were painted like this yellow color when we moved in, and I painted all of them a soft white. I just love all white walls, or like a softer white in my house. I don't like yellow beige tones, so I thought I would switch these out to our old ones that we had in our living room, just to make it more bright and airy. It's not a huge difference, but yeah, these yellow ones were actually from like Five Below or something. When we first moved in, we have these huge bathrooms in our, huge windows in our bathroom, and I knew I needed something. So we needed something last minute, just so, you know, people aren't using the bathroom while people outside can see them. So we just put those up very last minute. They were so cheap, like $5. And yeah, so now that I had these in the closet wasting away, I was just like, let me put these white ones in the bathroom, so it just brightens up in here. I'm also gonna be moving some old decor in here, decor that I already had, and decor from the guest bedroom. I moved all that decor out because there was really, really cute spring decor in my guest bedroom. I had just recently redone that bedroom. And then I found out I was pregnant like a month later and needed to turn it into a nursery. So that is the decor that I'm going to be using to give my bathroom a little refresh, along with this bench. I put it right by the window, and on top of it, I'm just putting, again, it's a guest bench. So I like to have like things for guests. So these are just extra towels in this rattan tray that I've had. And then I had this on the other bench, but my other bench had a shelf on the bottom, and I just wasn't feeling it. So I played around with a couple things, but eventually I put a vase from my guest bedroom again, and I also moved some of the wall decor that I had on inside the guest bedroom here as well.
I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you at the end. Don't you know what happens to dreams you don't follow? They crumble. You know I can't stay. What you're getting so hollow, so cold. Cause you're thinking your pace, no time to waste. I wanna love you, but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you at the end.
So now, to end the video, I just wanted to show you guys how I kind of stage my furniture to sell. If you want to sell for your listed price and not get lowballed and sell really quickly, always stage your furniture. So I actually had this bench listed just like that, without it being staged, just to see if it would sell, and it didn't. And I had these stains on it too, and I kind of put in the description, you know, it could be easily cleaned, but I just don't have the energy to clean it right now, and nobody bought it. So I went ahead and cleaned this myself with my green machine. I just used this in my last week's video on my car. Now that video is doing terrible, but it is a really satisfying cleaning video. So I don't know why YouTube just favors my decor and like regular cleaning videos over anything else that I try to do. But this machine is amazing. I'll have it linked down below. So I just quickly went ahead and cleaned it, staged it with some decor pieces that I already had. I even used the frame that I just had put in the bathroom. If you guys hear fireworks in the background, I'm sorry. It's the night of the 4th of July as I'm doing this. And yeah, so I'm just showing you guys here a little bit of the stuff that I've been gathering for baby boy's nursery. But yeah, so I went ahead and staged this. I took some pictures. I'll be showing you guys this. And then, yeah, it literally sold like the next day. I don't have this anymore. So that's what I'm doing with everything. The last thing I have to get rid of is the bed, but my mom's actually taking that. And then I'll have an empty nursery for baby boy. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. The next one will be a weekly meal prep, and then we are getting into undecorating my house for spring and summer because fall is about to come up in August. I know, but you know, we have to do everything a month ahead to give you guys ideas. So all that fall content is coming up for you guys towards the end of July. So I'm prepping for that. But again, I hope you guys enjoy this video and enjoy this little bit of decorating inspiration, and I'll see you guys in my next one, God willing, as always.
I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Can I what I feel? Just want you to save me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Baby, I'm sorry for all that has been. No, I can't let go. Tell me you want something more. Baby, I'm sorry for everything. Come back to me. Tell me, do you think back on how we